So first you add your butter in your pan and you put your, I already have my potato ready because I cooked them separate, and my corn. And I'm gonna make a mixture with my garlic and my onions. So I don't cut them up, I just blend everything together. That way it can mix well. And I already have my crab there and my shrimp. So I'm gonna wash them and clean them, to make sure they're ready. And then that mixture that I put, I'm gonna add it to my butter. So this is how you prepare the sauce. So the mixture is garlic and onions. So you add them to your butter, and then I cut up some fresh onions and then I put them in the mixture with the butter and the blended garlic and the onions. So I put all my seasoning together. I add paprika, seasoning salt, complete seasoning, and onion powder. So those are all four the seasoning that I use, and I put everything in the sauce and then let it simmer for about 30 minutes. So now it's nice and ready and it tastes delicious. Add some water. This is Cubico Maggi, the chicken bouillon. I add it to the water, and then you add more water to the sauce if you're gonna need more sauce. So it depends on how much sauce you need, you add more water. And now I'm gonna prepare something else. Now you let your sauce on the side, and now I'm preparing my sausage. Right now I have chicken sausage. So they was long, so what I had to do, I had to basically fry them first, and once they were ready, I cut them to make sure the inside get cooked and get a nice brown color. So you fry them up all the way. Remember, your sauce is already ready. I mean, it's still cooking, I'll say, for a good 30 minutes. So make sure you taste your sauce to make sure the salt, everything is good. And now, back to the sauce. Mine is ready and it tastes delicious. And I already have my potato. My potato is ready. I put a little salt in my potato, and I put salt in my corn as well. So now we're gonna add the sausage to the sauce. So yeah, I'm adding the sausage to the sauce. This is the sauce we're gonna use for our shrimp and our crab and everything as well. So I didn't use brown sugar. I noticed most of the videos that I watch, everybody use brown sugar. I did not use brown sugar because I don't have brown sugar, and it really tastes good without the brown sugar. And I didn't add all the seasoning. So this is the sausage that I use is a chicken sausage. So now I'm adding the corn to the sauce. Remember, the corn is already cooked. I cooked everything separate, and the corn I already put salt. And you're also gonna add your potato as well. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for more videos. Please give that video a thumbs up if you like my recipe, and comment and tell me if you're gonna try it or if you try it already and how do you make yours. There's several other ways people can make the seafood boil. This is my way of making it, and I see several other videos where people make it different ways. So this is just my way of making it, and it really tastes delicious to me. So now those are my shrimp. I don't like the shell on my shrimp, so I'm removing them. And you also gotta cut your shrimp because you have something in the back that you have to take off. Remember, it's a must. You have to remove the little string that's in the back of the shrimp. So I like to make my shrimp separate. So I wash all my shrimp, season them. Well, first, after you remove the shell and you remove the thing in the back, you're gonna wash your shrimp with lime or lemon, whichever one you want, and vinegar. And then you're gonna season your shrimp all the way. So yeah, like I was saying, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can know next time I post a video. So yeah, this is my shrimp now. It's already all seasoning. Well, it's already all seasoned. So now I use the same pan that I used to fry my sausage. And I'm gonna use that same oil to just fry my shrimp as well. My shrimp, it's already seasoned. I use paprika, complete seasoning, and onion powder. I didn't put no salt in my shrimp because the sauce already have salt, so I don't want to put too much salt. So yeah, so the shrimp is cooking. So now the shrimp is ready. So we're gonna put it to the side, and then we have our crab. This is paprika, complete seasoning, and onion powder on my crab. I cook my crab separate. So now my crab is cooking. So yeah, it's gonna be so delicious. Remember, your sauce is already there and we already added everything to the sauce. Now we're gonna add the shrimp to the mixture. I'm about to do a mukbang with the seafood boil. So if you wanna see the mukbang, how me and my husband enjoy that seafood boil, make sure you check the description box. I'm gonna have the link down there, so make sure you guys go check it out. My husband gonna rate my seafood boil because this is my first time making the seafood boil. So I think I did pretty good and I really like how it tastes. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna be dropping more recipes and I'm gonna share my different vegan food with you and the food that I cook for my baby and stuff. So now my crab is all ready. So I remove the crab from the sauce, and that same sauce we're gonna use it to mix it with the sauce we already made. So now this is the sauce. We're gonna put everything in the pan. So everything is there. This is the rest of my sauce. So I'm gonna put it on the crab, the shrimp, the sausage, the potato, and the corn. Some people add egg. You can also add egg if you want. I didn't have any egg. That's why I didn't add any. But yeah, I think egg is really good and it tastes delicious. So you can add egg if you want. So now I'm dropping my sauce. Oh my God, it looks amazing and it tastes delicious. I wish you guys can taste it. Please try it. If you haven't had seafood boil, make sure you guys try it at home. It's really an easy thing to make. It's not that hard. This is my first time making it. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Please subscribe.